Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Capcut in your Windows 11. If you have finally decided on editing videos using Capcut in your Windows 11, I'm going to show you an easy way to download the Capcut in your PC. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So there are two ways of downloading Capcut. So the first one is using your browser. Here you can search for download Capcut. You'll find a link here to download Capcut. If you're not able to download it from your browser, what you can do is go to your Microsoft Store. And here, search for Capcut. And since I've already installed it, it says installed, but if you have not, you'll see a download button here. And all you have to do is click on that button and you'll be able to download Capcut in your Windows 11. And that's it. That's how you can download Capcut in your Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.